His Excellency, the High Commissioner of India to Fiji, the Chair of the Bar and Lautoka Council, my colleague Minister, Dr. Mahendra Reddy, Honorable Government Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, officials and respective TISI Sangam delegates, chairmen and members of the organizing committee, fellow Sangam members, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls. It is my honor and privilege this morning to officially welcome all of you present here for the opening of the 2022 TISI Sangam Convention. Ladies and gentlemen, this TISI Sangam Annual Convention for 2022 is special and unique in so many different ways. And I'm grateful to see so many of you turn out in numbers in the spirit of and in support of TISI Sangam and all that it stands for. It is the first full annual convention since 2020 with open participation, which includes some members and guests from overseas. It has only been a week since we further opened our borders here in Fiji and relaxed internal COVID-19 mandates. And this means that many of us are coming together in the Sangam spirit of unity and togetherness after some 24 months or so at this annual convention. While we are moving forward, as is the rest of the world, let us not forget those who have lost to this terrible pandemic. On behalf of the TISI Sangam Fiji, our thoughts and prayers go out to those families and individuals who have lost loved ones to the pandemic. And as we move away from medical mandate to personal responsibility, let us continue to practice safe hygiene protocols amongst us to stop or reduce the spread of this unforgiving virus. And for those of us who remain unvaccinated, please join the rest of us and get a jab and a second jab and then the booster to ensure the safety of your family, community, and that of the nation. Let me once again extend a warm welcome to all members, delegates, and well-wishers to the annual convention. This is an annual convention that celebrates the unique culture, custom, language, and colors of South India in Fiji. We extend this convention beyond speeches and meetings to the dance auditorium, cultural program, and of course, the passion on and off the sporting competition. Ladies and gentlemen, let me add the words of welcome by making special mention of the hard-working artists and sports people who come together to proudly represent their districts and TISI Sangam. They add greatly to the flavor and color of this annual convention, and we all look forward to their contribution during the course of these 4 days. Ladies and gentlemen, Sangam continues to maintain the ideals of Sadhu Kupasamy as the coming together of people of South Indian origin under its banner, in the spirit and ethos of the Grimitias, and their efforts in areas like education, religion, arts and culture, and in sustaining the family values. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I want to welcome you all again, and I want to say that let us come together once again at our annual convention in the spirit of Sangam, in the spirit of our common humanity, and in the unity and togetherness that led to the founding and work of the TISI Sangam. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, welcome, and may God bless us all. Pinaka.